All right, I'm old school. I would put this in some hot water, soak it, and then wash it by hand. Same with this. You can tell it was I don't know, bread baked in it. You know those commercials always say, put it in your dishwasher. You don't even have to clean it. It'll work. Because this stuff is the best. So I got a Bosch dishwasher. I use their little pod thing. We'll see if this gets clean. I think it's not gonna. I'm not gonna wipe anything off. This one I soaked in hot water, so we'll see. All right, this is the before, and so is this glass casserole Pyrex. We'll see. Just the before. I'm gonna try this gravy spoon. Like I said, normally I'd rinse all this stuff off. And I'll continue to do that after this experiment. Okay, it's done. Let's see. Looks promising. Yeah. Look at that. That's clean. And this one too. That's after. Here's the spoon. Pretty clean. But I did notice on here, there's a little, see the little stuff on the edge? So I might have to still wash it. But I must say, it did a pretty good job. Just to show it's not baked on. So I just have to go over it with a sponge. But overall, it's not bad.